Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Allure Beauty Box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So August Allure Beauty Box just arrived. If you did watch last month, I did tell you guys that I did cancel my subscription because my year was up this month. So I wasn't sure if last month's box was my last box or if this month I would get another box. And I got one this month, so this now must be my very last and final Allure Beauty Box, at least for now. I don't know if I will resubscribe later, but at least for now, I'm gonna give this one a break on my channel. Again, there's so many other people doing it, so I feel I can take a step back from this one myself. One thing that kind of confused me is I got an email a few weeks ago saying, oh, for your being a loyal subscriber, we sent you a free gift box that's $120 value. And to me, as a business aspect, I personally wouldn't have done that. If somebody canceled their subscription and it was canceled in there, why would you spend money to that confused me. I was like, so hopefully they did cancel my membership correctly, because I got this, and I will show you once I open this what's in here if you would like to know what they sent me as a loyal subscriber gift, which is kind of odd because I haven't even done my whole year yet. And before, I was renewing my year 2 to 3 times and I never received any free gift. So I don't know. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Let's see what's going to be in now what I'm going to assume is my very last, for now, Allure Beauty Box. So it's probably going to be the best one. That is always my luck. Whenever I cancel, my last box is always like the best one. So let's see if my luck continues or if Allure is just Allure. So here's the brochure right on top with this gorgeous woman right there. And down in here, we'll go over some of the products. And then this is a sneak peek to, that's a sneak peek to what's inside of the box. This big old honking thing wanted to hop out. So this is what we will go through first. Now I'm going to say I've never seen any other product from 111 Skin other than just their normal like serums. So it's really neat to see a different product that I have not seen from that brand. And it says that it's a day cream. Alrighty. So there's that. This definitely looks like it would be a full size product. So if it is $270. What the hell? Is there like magic little things in here that are gonna come and actually like suck things out of my face or something for me? Like, what are they gonna be doing on my, what is this gonna be doing to my skin? $270. Holy freaking moly. Now, I don't think I've ever seen a product valued that high before, but this is a 50 ml or a 1.7 fluid ounce. $270. This box should open for me. Holy freaking moly. And it's even smaller than the actual box. $270. I like the color, that burgundy like color to it. But I'm baffled by the price. I mean, they can value it whatever they would like, but who would pay $270 for just this? It does have a nice slight scent to it that smells refreshing. I do like that. I can't wait to use this. Like, I didn't even want to put that little bit on my finger. Like, I just used $20. Holy moly. Holy moly. Does it say like directions? Apply in the morning after cleansing and toning. If used as part of a 111 skin regimen, use after applying the repair serum. So you put the repair serum on first and then use this if you're using the other product. Ooh, wow. $270. Like that's just insane to me. Holy moly. Good thing it's in this box. So the next thing is we have a dual drop serum, and this definitely looks like a sample size. So for this product right here, it would have been one of 3 different sample sizes that you would have got. Wow, one of them was valued for $235 for a full size product. The one here in the middle. So here's the 3 different things that could have been in this category, and I received that last one down there on the bottom, which the full size product for this would be $62. And you have this serum here to test out. Apply an appropriate amount to the face and neck. Gently tap into the skin until it's well absorbed. So like a normal serum. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So at least that's a good, decent amount for you to try out for a serum. They do go a long way. So that's neat that you can test that out. And if you like it, the full size would be $62 for this particular product. Then let's keep on going. I actually use this. I have the full size. I have this one too, and I was going to save it for travel, but I have the full size of it, and I actually do enjoy this toner. So if you guys do get this, test it out, and then let me know what your thoughts are on it. But this was in a big kit with all of the Wonder products that I received, and I really, really like it. The full size is this big ombre bottle right here, and that is a value of $37. Next we have, it says a blush serum. This actually looks like it would be an actual blush, and it's called a blush serum because it's more of like a liquid, so you can do a little dabble-do-ya and then blend it out. I don't wear blush, so I will definitely hold this and save this for one of you guys to enjoy. For a liquid blush, I would assume this would be the full-size product, and if so, then it's valued for $16. I can't get over this guy. I can't. So now we have down inside, it's from Real Her. This is I Am Resilient Metallic Bronze Eyeliner. Oh, okay. So I'm going to save this for one of you guys as well because it is like a goldish bronze color based on that right there. This is the full-size product valued for $16. I'll show you what it looks like, but then I'll put it back in the package for one of you guys. I only wear black. And a coppery goldish color wouldn't be something that I would even try to step into if I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. So here's the actual packaging. So it looks like it's going to be like this, like that coppery color. And then there is that. So put that right back in the package, and I'll put this in my future giveaway pile with that blush. So let's keep on going. There's one item left in here, and this is an intensive hydrating cotton sheet mask. I love me some skincare, so I never complain about some skincare. So we do have a sheet mask right there. So the price for this one, it says $19.90, but I don't know if that's for a box of multiple face masks or literally one face mask is $19.90. I'm not quite sure. If I can find out any other information, you know, I'll put it on the side for you guys, but it just says $19.90. I'm hoping that's for a box of multiple ones. But you have a face mask. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. So a quick recap, you have a sheet mask, you have a serum that you can try out, you have a toner that you can try out, you have a goldish coppery color eyeliner, there is a like liquid blush, and then this big old guy right here that is $270. So that is everything that came in this month's Allure. So I'm super glad that this wasn't like a blowout box where I'm just now going to regret canceling, because I did a $270 product, and then you have all these other smaller ones. So I'm not excited about it. The only thing that I'm going to try out, because of how much this is, I'm hoping this is literally going to take 20 years off of my face for that price. But I'm only excited about trying out this. And for that price, then yes, I definitely got my money's worth. But all these other products here, a face mask is a face mask is a face mask is a face mask. But these right here, I will put in future giveaways for you guys to hopefully enjoy. But that is everything that I have to show for this, which is again supposed to be my last month's box. If you do want to know, this is a $23 box per month, and you're supposed to get 6+ Allure approved makeup and skincare picks delivered to your door with a $100 value or more. And you're supposed to get at least 3 full-size products. So this month you have these that I'm going to say are these are the 3 full-size products for this month. So that is that. $23 a month if you like to check them out. I will link them down below. But again, I'm just kind of getting a little tired of them and I just want to take a break from them. So if you do want to know what came in this box, again, this was just a bonus box that they had sent. From a business standpoint, I feel I shouldn't have received it, but thank you, Allure, for sending me a little bonus gift. It does say $120 value. I guess that's going to be the items right there. So let's see. I haven't even really gone through everything in here because I wanted to show you guys once this other box came. So it looks like here is going to be a perfume. So it'll be a perfume sample there. And then now we have is, ooh, Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. Oh, I'm excited about that. And eye creams are small containers because a little dab will do you. It goes a long way. So that's a good size, especially for an eye cream. And that's a really good brand. So, ooh, it's like half full. It's not all the way full and there's not a seal or anything, but that's what it looks like, that yellowish goodness down inside. So there's the second thing down in here. Now we have is another perfume. Yes, here's another perfume right there. Let's see what this one looks like on the inside. Oh, that's a really cute bottle. That's a really cute bottle. Is there a spray pump? Don't make a mess. No, it's just a top that you, ooh, you smell good though. I've never smelled this one before. I've never smelled this brand in general. Ooh, I do. This is kind of picking up a little bit of vibes to remind me of my favorite perfume right now, which is that Arizona, that expensive one. I have a full size one I got for Christmas last year, which I'm so excited. And I try like to use it sparingly. But this is kind of picking up those vibes from that scent. It smells so good. That one smells really, really good. So I'm glad that was in here. Now we have, it says Republica Beach Walk. This looks like another perfume. There's a lot of little perfume samples in this box. Oh, how cute. Look at that one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to smell this one with that other scent over it. Oh, I can. Okay. Let me see. Put it on this hand. That does smell beachy. That smells like a crisp, ocean airy spa type like kind of scent. That does smell really good. That's nice. Republica Beach Walk. All right. So now I found some 2 good new perfumes that I never knew about. That's cool. So now we have is a lash lifting volumizing mascara by Lancome. I honestly don't even like using mascara, so I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. Now we have is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0, which is the black. I have this. I think I have a few of them actually that I've got in subscription boxes, all by Urban Decay. But I guess it comes in all of these different colors. There is the product right there. It looks like it would be a sample size of it. So I'll probably go ahead and save this for one of you guys because I do have a full size one in my area currently, even though black, you know, is what I use. But I think I might want to just share this with one of you guys. So there's that. And then the last thing in here is, ooh, Giorgio Armani. What are you, perfume? No, you are a lip maestro? Lip maestro? It says intense velvet color. I never even knew that they made lip products, so that's cool. So here's what the color looks like. It looks more of like a fallish color, like a brownish burnt color. Ooh. That is definitely what it looks like right there. I'm smelling the perfume. That smells so good. But that is really cool. We have a Giorgio Armani lip product. That is cool. So that is everything that I have to show for my monthly box and then this little freebie box that came that I wanted to show you guys. And yeah, so this is going to be probably the last video you will see of Allure unless, like I said, I resubscribe at some point. Just depends what you guys would like me to do in the future. So yeah, that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items in this monthly box? Did you think it was a good box? Have you ever heard of a $270 face cream though? Like, holy moly. What did you think of the items that came in this free little gift box that they sent, valued for $120? What was your favorite items in either one? Would you enjoy the products inside? Give me your positive feedback down below. I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.